नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वेलकम टू श्री ज्ञानसागर कोचिंग क्लासेस यूट्यूब चॅनल. स्टुडंट, आज आपण चॅप्टर सेकंड मध्ये म्हणजे पायथागोरस थेरम मध्ये प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1 मध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 आणि त्या पुढील क्वेश्चन्स बघणार. चला तर आता आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 बघूया. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इन दिस फिगर look here, this is right angle, this is also perpendicular. DFE is 90 degree, FG is perpendicular to ED, GD is 8 here, FG is 12 here. We have to find out EG. First look here, EG. Student, for finding EG, this is right angle triangle, perpendicular drawn on its hypotenuse, so that we use the theorem by geometric mean. Mean that geometric mean theorem ने आपण ही EG काढू शकतो. त्यानंतर जर आपल्याला FD काढायचं, हा FD काढायचा आहे, हा राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल जर विचारात घेतला, इथे आपण पायथागोरस वापरू शकतो आणि इथे पण ही पण व्हॅल्यू काढण्यास आहे म्हणून या आपण EF ची व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी पण पायथागोरस वापरू शकतो. स्टुडंट, चला आपण आता एक एक व्हॅल्यू काढूया. नाउ इट्स सोल्युशन. बघा इथे काय काय दिलेले आहे. GD is 8, FG is equals to 12, angle DFE is equals to 90 degree and segment FG is perpendicular to ED. These are here given. Therefore, by using theorem of geometry, geometric mean theorem is the square of this is mean that EG FG square is equals to EG into GD. This is the geometric mean theorem. We substitute the values here. FG is 12 here, so that 12 square is equals to EG, we have to find here, into GD. GD is how much? 8. All of you know that 12 square is 144 is equals to EG into how much? 8. Then transfer this 8 to this denominator, means that 144 upon 8 is equals to how much? EG. Then we divide this. Therefore, बोलो 8 1 जा 8, 8 1 जा 8, carry is 6, 64, 8 8 जा 64. Means that EG is equals to how much? 8. Then we find the value of FD. For finding FD, we take here in triangle DGF, angle G is equals to how much? 90 degree. So that therefore by using Pythagoras theorem, this theorem, here is the hypotenuse is DM or FD. We write here FD square is equals to, here is GF or FG. FG square plus GD square. Then we substitute this value, we have to find out this FD square. So substitute the value of FG is how much? 12 square plus GD is 8 square, which is in given. FD is 12 square is 144 plus 64. We have to adding these values. FD square is equals to 4 plus 4 becomes 8. 6 plus 4 becomes 10. Carries 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Student, we cannot find out the square root of this 208. So first factorize this. Out of these 1 factors, we can find out the square root of it. So that FD square is equals to, the factors of this one is, when we look here, if you have to take the factors as 16 into 30, then the product is 208. Look here, 16 3s are 48, carries 4, 16 1s are 60, plus 4 becomes 20. So taking square root, taking square root of both sides. Then the square root of this is FD is equals to, square root of this is 4. We cannot find out square root of 13, so use the sign as 13. Mean that the value of FD is 4 root 13. Then we find out the next value. The next value is EF. Looking for EF, we take this triangle EGF. So here I write in triangle EFG, angle G is equals to how much? 90 degree. So that again by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is that. Here is for this triangle, this is side opposite to right angle, means that this is the hypotenuse. So that EF square is equals to EG square plus GF square or FG square. We substitute this value. Here is EG is how much? EG is 18 square plus FG is given here. FG is 12 square. Then we know that the square of 18 square is 324 plus 144. Then addition of it is 4 plus 4 becomes 8. 2 plus 4 becomes 6. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Means that 468. Student, जर विचार केला जर याचे पण फॅक्टर जर पाडायचे असेल तर या अगोदरचा पण जर विचार जर केला तिथे 13 आला असेल याचा अर्थ याच्याशी निगडित अशी संख्या असू शकते. Suppose we take the product of this one is EF square is equals to 13 into 36. Then look at this product, 36 into 13. 13 6 are 17, carry 7. 13 3 are 39 plus 7 becomes 46. Then we taking its square root. Taking square root of both sides. Square root of EF square is EF. E is equals to, we cannot find out square root of 13, but we find out square root of this one. So I have to write here 6 root of 13. This is the value of E. Student, we have to find here these three values. So write the answer in full sentence. So here answer. First, we have to find out here EG. EG is equals to how much? 18 units. Unit is not given, so we write here units. Then second one is FD. FD is equals to 4 root 13. Sorry, 4 root 13 units. And last one is third EF. Is 6 root of 13 units. This is the answer of the question number 7. Let's study the next question. Question number 8. Find the diagonals of the rectangle whose length is 35 cm and width is 12 cm. Student, for this I have taken its solution and draw one rectangle. Take any vertices as you like. Suppose I have taken ABC. All of you know that the property of rectangle, each angles are right angle, opposite sides are equal, and the diagonals are also congruent. Now here is I have to join one diagonal here AC, which having we have to find out the value of this AC. The length is how much? 35 cm. This is the length, 35 cm. And width is 12 cm. This is the width, is 12 cm. You have to find out the length of the diagonal. Now students, so simple one here. Here is I have to write quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. know that the property of rectangle. Therefore, BC is equals to AD is equals to, I have to direct write here 35 centimeter. Then AB is equals to CD is equals to 12 centimeter. Each angles are right angle, means that angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to angle D is equals to 90 degree. This is the property of rectangle. Student, so we take here, therefore in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equals to how much degree? 90 degree. Then by using Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse is AC, so I have to write here AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Then substitute the values. Then AB is 12 here, so that 12 square is equals to BC is how much? 35 square. We know that the square of 12 is how much? 144. What is the square of 35? Student, we studied in 8th standard the process. If the unit place having the digit is 5, at that time, what is the square? How to find it? Look, I will tell you again. First, you have to write the square of 5. 5 square is how much? 25. Then take its next number is 3. Take its adjacent number 3 and then adjacent number is 4. We have to find out the product of these two numbers, means that 3 4s are 12, means the square of 35 is 1225. Okay, by using unit place as 35 you can find out these squares. Then AC square is equals to, we have to adding it, 4 plus 5 becomes 9, 4 plus 2 becomes 6, 1 plus this is 3 and this is 1, means that 1369. Then taking square root of both sides. Students, AC is equals to 1369 is the square root of 37. Now therefore this is the value of 37. जर समजा आपल्याला इथे सुद्धा लक्षात घ्यायचं, जर याचं स्क्वेअर रूट जर काढता येत नसेल तर इथे हे क्लिअर होईल आपलं का दिस व्हॅल्यू इज 1220. यापेक्षा मोठीच ही संख्या असेल. मग इथे युनिट प्लेस बघा 9. मग 9 चा विचार केला तर 7 * 7 केलं तर 7 7 = 49. युनिट प्लेस इज 9. मग आपण 37 चा जर 2 टाइम्स प्रॉडक्ट काढला तर आपल्याला हा. ओके, सो दैट द आंसर इन फुल सेंटेंस. देयरफॉर द लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल इज diagonal is 37 cm. Can you understand this? Thank you very much. Let's see the question number 9. In this figure, PRQ, angle R is given here 90 degree. M is the midpoint of the segment QR. M is the midpoint, means that RM is equals to MQ. Then prove that PQ square is equals to 4PM square minus 3PR square. So, by using this, I have to write its solution. In given in triangle PQR, angle PRQ is equals to 90 degree. M is midpoint of segment QR. That is, if this is midpoint, means that RM is equals to MQ. We write here RM is equals to MQ also. Or is equals to half of RQ or QR. Means that RM is equals to MQ is equals to half of RQ. Okay, then to prove is, we have to show here PQ square is equals to 4PM square minus 3PR square. Student, very very important example. So look carefully its proof. First we take this point in triangle. In triangle PQR or PRQ, angle PRQ is equals to how much? 90. This is given. This is given. Student, if any triangle, one angle is right angle, we use Pythagoras theorem. So that by using this Pythagoras theorem for this triangle, we write here PQ square is equals to PR square plus RQ square. This is suppose that equation number first by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Then we take another triangle here in triangle. In triangle PRM. Look at this PRM. Angle R is equals to how much? 90 degree. This is also given. Then again we use the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, the hypotenuse of this PRM is PM. So I have write here PM square is equals to PR square plus RM square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then student we take the point. M is the midpoint here, so that M is midpoint or segment RQ. This is also given. Now, if it is midpoint, then we write here therefore RM is equals to MQ is equals to half of RQ. This is equation suppose that second. Now, then we put the value of RM is half of RQ here. So that substitute this value, I will write again PM square is equals to PR square plus this value of RM I will substitute here half of RQ square from equation second. Okay, then student we take as this is the equation number second and this is as third. So we write that from equation second and third. Now then square of this one is therefore PM square is equals to PR square plus 1 upon 4 RQ square. Okay, then this 4 we have to remove here. Then multiply both sides by 4. We get that. So right here 4 into PM square is equals to 4 into PR square plus this 4 and multiplication of 4 get cancelled, mean that RQ square. Here we write here multiplying both sides by 4 we get. Directly we write here. Okay, then I have to write this sentence such that therefore 4 PM square is equals to this 4 PR square we write as 3 PR square plus 1 PR square. Can you understand how to write this 4 PR? 3 plus 1 becomes how much? 4. Plus this RQ I have to write here QR or RQ. QR square. Sorry, we write as it is RQ square. Okay, then we substitute the value of PR square plus RQ square from equation number first. Here look here, PR square plus RQ square. Here is also PR square plus RQ square. Means that this value is PQ square. I have to substitute here. So that therefore 4 PM square is equals to 3 PR square plus how much? PQ square. Okay, here give the reason from equation first. Student, then we transfer this 3 PR to this side, convert as minus, so that 4 4pm square minus 3pr square is equals to how much? pq square. Observe carefully to prove. pq square is equals to 4pm square minus 3pr square. This is 4pm square minus 3pr square. That is, we write here, that is pq square is equals to 4pm square minus 3pr square, and hence it is. Student, look carefully. Very, very important example. I have to repeat it again. Look here. Here is the triangle PRQ is right angle triangle. M is the midpoint, so that RM MQ is equals to half of RQ. Student, first we take here, prove here PQ square is equal to 4pm square minus 3pr square. So that first I have taken in triangle PRQ. This angle R is 90 degree. So use Pythagoras theorem. Then PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square as equation number first. In triangle PRM, angle R is 90 degree. Again we use Pythagoras theorem. Then in this triangle, this is the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of these two remaining side square. Student, इथे आपण second देऊन घेतलाय by using the Pythagoras theorem म्हटलं. M is the midpoint. If it is midpoint of the segment RQ, midpoint means RM is equal to MQ is equal to half of RQ. It is equation number 3. From second and third, when we observe here, substitute the value of RM as half of RQ, we get PM square plus PR square is plus half of RQ square. The square of this is 1 upon 4. We want to remove this 4, so multiply both sides by 4. We get, I have directly write here, 4 PM 4 PR square, 4 get cancelled plus RQ square. Then I have to write this 4pr square such as 3pr square plus 1pr square. It becomes 4 plus RQ square as it is right here. नंतर या दोघांची किंमत जर बघितली तर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट नुसार pq चा स्क्वेअर टाकू. This is pq square. Then we look its proof. Then transpose this only to this side, convert as minus. We get our answer. This is the question number 9. Okay, we see the next question. Let's see the question number 10. Student, first I have to draw its figures. Now its solution. The question number 10 is that walls of two buildings on either side of the street. Suppose we draw here street. Street म्हणजे रस्ता. Walls of two buildings to the either side of the street. मग आपण इथे काय करूया, स्ट्रीटच्या either side म्हणजे दोन्ही पण बाजूला दोन buildings काढूया. समजा suppose that this is the first building. Now student, the buildings are perpendicular to each other. So here perpendicular to the street. Suppose that this is the buildings here. Now are parallel to each other. They are parallel because they are perpendicular to the street, means that they are parallel to each other. A ladder of 5.8 meter म्हणजे 5.8 मीटर लेंथ असणारी एक लॅडर म्हणजे काय, सीडी. ही सीडी समजा या टोका इथे ठेवलेली आहे आणि इथून ती एका विंडो वरती टेकते. याची किंमत आहे 5.8 मीटर. Place on the street such that its top just reaches the window of the building at height of 4 meter. म्हणजे ती इथे टेकते असं समजा ही हाईट आहे याची 4 meter. Then on turning the ladder over to the other side, म्हणजे आता इथे फक्त लॅडर फिरवायची, खाली टोक आहे तसंच आहे. समजा ही लॅडर फिरवली तर ती या ठिकाणी पोहोचते असं समजा. ओके, other side of the street, its top touches the window of the other building at height of 4.2 meter. म्हणजे ही जी other building आहे तिला 4.2 मीटरच्या विंडो जवळ काय होते, टच होते. Find the width of the street, म्हणजे ह्या रस्त्याची आपल्याला लांबी काढायची. रस्त्याची width म्हणजे रुंदी काढायची. Student, suppose that I have take here point is, here is A, here is B, here is C, here is D, and E is the point of point on the street. Here is the ladder is present. Now we have to find out the value of B and EC. Now when we observe this figure, now this is also right angle triangle and this is also right angle triangle. If we use the Pythagoras theorem, because here is two sides are given, we have to find out remaining side. So we use the Pythagoras theorem. आणि हे सर्व अगोदर काय करू आपण and CD. They are parallel to each other. Okay. Now, then the width of the street is BC. The width of street BC. The length of ladder B, AE and D. Okay. Now the ladder is at point E. The ladder is at point. Now here is AB is parallel with CD. Now here is AB is parallel with CD also. Then AE is equals to ED is equals to 5.8 meter. Here is also 5.8 meter because there is one ladder. Then AB is equals to 4 meter. Then CD is equals to how much? 4.2 meter. Okay. Now here is AB is parallel with CD, means that they are perpendicular to the street. So in triangle ABE angle ABE equals to how much? 90 degree. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, the theorem is that AE square is equals to AB square plus BE square. Here, right? By using Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is AE square is equals to AB square plus BE square. Now we substitute the value of AE is 5.8 square is equals to AB is 4 square. We have to find out the value of BE square. Student, here we have to find out the value of 5.8 square. Now 5.8 square means 58 we take here 58 into 58. Okay. Then 8 8s are 64, carry 6. 8 5s are 40 plus 6 is 46. Here is 0. Then 5 8s are 40. Then carries 4. 5 5s are 20. 5 plus 4 is 29. Addition becomes 4, 6, 9 plus 4 becomes 13. Carries 1. Then 3, 6. So that square of this after 2 digit decimal point means that 33 point how much? 64 is equals to 4 square is 16 plus BE square. Can you understand how to find out its square? Then transpose this 14 to this another side. It convert as minus means that 33.64 minus 16 is equals to BE square. Student, we can directly subtract here 6 and 4 as it is. Then we cannot subtract 6 from this 3. Take carry from here. Here becomes 13. 13 minus 6 becomes how much? 7. Then here is remaining 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Means that 17.64 is equals to BE square. Calculation कळालं नसेल तर साइडला करून बघा. Okay. Now then taking square root of both sides. Student, आता याची स्क्वेअर रूट काढण्यासाठी एक सिंपल थिंग. आता एक लक्षात कसं घ्यायचं की 1764 असं समजा की ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ही 40 चा स्क्वेअर जर केला तर 1600 येतो. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ ती 40 च्या स्क्वेअर पेक्षा मोठी आहे. and 50 is 2500. या दोघांच्या मध्येच ही संख्या दिसते. मग आपण जर याची जवळची संख्या विचारात घेतली युनिट प्लेसचं बघा इथे किती युनिट प्लेसला 4 आहे. मग 4 असणाऱ्या संख्या कोणत्या आहे? एक तर 2 जर घेतला 2 चा काय येणार आहे? 4 येणार आहे. देन 8 8 चा 64 म्हणजे 8 पण आपण युनिट प्लेसला घेऊ शकतो. पण आपण आता याच्या नियरली इक्वल टू आपण व्हॅल्यू बघूया. जर आपण 42 जर घेतला तर बघूया इथं हा 42 into 42 4 2 2 जा 4 carry is there is no carry 2 4 जा 8 then 0 4 2 जा 8 4 4 जा 16. Then this is 4. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carry is 7. Means that this is the square of 42. But here take its decimal point. So the answer is, taking square root we get that 4.2 is equals to how much? B square. Sorry, B. Because we have to take its square. So that the value of B is equals to 4.2. Unit is given here, meter. Means that the value of B is 4.2 meter. Okay. Similarly, we can find out the value of EC also, or C. Now, in triangle, in another triangle, DCE angle C is equals to how much? 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, we use the Pythagoras theorem here. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Here is D square is equals to, here I have write, therefore DE square is equals to, look here, DC square plus EC square. Okay, then substitute the value. This value is 5.8 square is equals to, DC is 4.2 square plus EC square. Student, we have to also already find out the square of 5.8. 5.8 square is 33.64 is equals to. Now, what is the square of 4.2? We have to also taking its square root, so that this is the square of 4.2, means that 17.64 plus EC square. Okay, then transpose to this another side, it get 33.64 minus 17.64 is equals to how much? EC square. Then student, what is the subtraction here? This is 0, 0. We cannot subtract here, so take here 13, there is 2 remaining, 13 minus 7, it becomes 6. Then 2 minus 1 is 1, means that after 2 digits, so this is EC square. 1600 subtractionality, after 2 digits we get their decimal point, so that taking square root of both sides. What is the square root of it? This is 4.00, means that 4.0 is equals to EC, therefore EC is equals to 4 meter. This is the value of EC. Student, now look here, EC is 4 meter. Now then, BC is equal to, because we have to find out the width of the street, means that width BC is equals to, therefore BC is equals to BE plus EC, because B dash E dash C. Now we have to find out this value is equals to, B is 4.2 plus EC is 4, therefore BC is equals to, the addition becomes 8.2 meter. Therefore the answer in full sentence, therefore the width of